Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fée de la Mer. Today I am testing a new bath bomb mold that was sent to me by my friend Lee over at the Bath Bomb Press. And I will make a Christmas trio. Anyways, 3 bath bombs with Christmas scents that will be sold and packed as a bundle of 3. So let's get pressing. Because these are holiday bath bombs, we're going to add a little bit of glimmer to the mix. The fragrance oil that's going to go in this first batch is Vanilla Bean Noel, and it is by Be Scented. These bath bombs will remain white because, I don't know, vanilla. They will be white. There's actually quite a bit of vanillin in here, so this may discolor, but it's okay. Vanilla is yummy. So, need an emulsifying agent, which is Poly 80, which helps to disperse the oils and the glitter and colorant from the bath bomb. I'm also using a moisturizing vegetable oil. In this bath bomb is going to be grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil. So we have the rubbing alcohol, the glitter, the Poly 80, the fragrance oil, and the grapeseed oil, and we're gonna now add the wet ingredients to the dry baking soda and kaolin clay mix. I'm adding lathanol powder, which will bring additional bubbles to the fizzy bath bomb, and then I'm going to add the citric acid. I'm going to tip this over into another bowl just to finish mixing this by hand and make sure that all of the baking soda is incorporated into my batch. Always working on a scale, I fill up my mold so that I have a consistent size throughout this batch, and we're gonna make some hexagons. So these are the exact same recipe as our standard bath bombs, except they're a little smaller and they have a cute shape. Voila. Oops, I dropped some powder over my previous hexagon. Now let's figure out how to place these on the tray to maximize placement. Okay. Let's move on to batch number 2, which will be colored in apple green by the Fizz Fairy. It's a water-soluble dye, very potent. There's only like 0.3 grams of green in my whole batch. And fragrance will be Santa Sprouse by Brambleberry because I love this smell. Third hexagon will be scented in cinnamon sugar. Oh, this one puts you in such a good mood. It smells cinnamony, like hot cinnamon buns, or you know those heart-shaped cinnamon candy. So yummy. And I have my wet mix that is colored with a blend of red and pink water-soluble dye, and I have some Red Lake 40 in my dry mix. So let's mix this up. I absolutely love the hexagon mold. It is so easy to use. What I like about it, well, most flat-shaped molds will be like this, but they're very easy to use. It's very easy to mold and then unmold. So the release is super, super easy. I usually just tap on my table before I open the mold just to break the suction, and then I lift it up, and then like there's no effort, it just comes right off. So this is super cool. I just want to make like hexagons of every colors. This mold is very polyvalent. It is the first project that I do with it because I just got it recently, but this would be a great mold to make solid shampoo, to make shower steamers, as well as bath bombs. You can make them, because the sleeve is rather thick, you can make, like I filled these at about 110 grams, but you could make them thinner, you can make them thicker. So very nice shape that can make many different products. Very versatile. Whoa. To finish the hexagons, it's a funny word to say, I'm gonna spritz with the Super Sparkles. This is a biodegradable glitter from Nurture Soap, and the link is in the description box down below. As always, I leave the useful links down below my video. If you want to purchase these bath bombs, the link will also be down below the video. And I love this glitter because it's almost like it's a crystal white. You can literally put it on any color and it just turns out so pretty. See how glittery and shimmery makes everything, and it's biodegradable, so it's not bad for the environment. So look at how nice and smooth the hexagons turned out. Now we will be selling them in bundles of 3. We will be stacking them just like this. 1, 2, 3. And then you have a holiday trio. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so and hit the subscribe button. You also can click the bell icon to enable notifications and always be in the loop when I have a new video coming up. If you want to purchase these bath bombs, as I said earlier, the link is in the description box. And if you are a maker, please join my Facebook group. It's called Makers Collab. We are 6 admins that created this group. It's a wonderful place to learn, share ideas, and be creative. So the link is down below. It's called Makers Collab. We have a couple questions that we ask, so make sure to answer them because we want to welcome people that really want to be part of our group. So that's about it. Stay tuned. I have new releases coming shortly. Thank you so much and take care.